Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw tokens from Solana or Sol Trading Bot. Make sure to watch the video to the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on our account on the Sol Trading Bot on Telegram. And as you can see from here, we have our wallet and we have the balance and everything around it. Now for you to transfer the wallet, all you have to do is go to our wallet section right here. And so from here is going to offer you the selections of wallets that you have. So I have this wallet generated. I'm going to click on it. And so now we have this wallet address. All we have to do is click on either transfer wall or wrap wall. So we're going to click on transfer. And so from here, transfer sol is going to enter the address and amounts. So you're going to enter the address, which is going to be this one for whatever you want to select it from. And then you're going to select the amount of Solana. So from here, if I'm going to copy my address from my wallet that I'm going to send to, it's going to be like this. And then from here, comma. And then if I would like to select, for example, 0.005 Solana, this will be around $1. To check for how much Solana costs, go to a website and just go Solana price USD. And so from here, as you can see, 193. So if I want to select for $50, that will be 0.25 Sol. So I can just copy that and then back here, go and just paste it right there. And then once I click on send, then it's going to transfer the funds that I have on my wallet right here and withdraw it to this wallet for Solana. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.